Hey y'all, this video is going to show you how to order a tax return transcript. And normally I'm getting this done so that I can show you how to do verification for financial aid for college going purposes. So you're going to go to irs.gov, and then the top right, click tax, or type tax transcript. And then you'll see this link down here. It says get transcript. And then you want to do them by mail option. Don't do online because it wants all this information and the process is just a lot more difficult and it takes a lot longer. So just do the by mail option and it'll come in 5 to 10 days to the address that's on file. And for some reason it has information in there. But what you need to do is input whatever information for the person that you're ordering the tax transcript for. So if you're ordering for a parent because the college wants a parent's tax transcript, then you need to put the parent's social or I-10 if they don't have a social security number, and their date of birth and address and zip code. If the college is asking for a student's tax transcript, the only way you'll have a tax transcript is if you file taxes for the year they're referring to. If you did not file taxes that year, that's okay. You need to do a different form to request a verification of non-filing letter instead of a tax transcript. So you'll go through the system, input their information, and then I'll show you what to do on the next page. Okay, so once you inputted that information, now you're brought to this page. What you want to do is select return transcript. Do not select account transcript because that's the wrong form. So return transcript, and then for the year, you need to make sure you're selecting the correct year. So the college will tell you what year they're wanting, but as a general rule, they're wanting 2 years prior to the year that you're starting college. So if you're starting college for the 18-19 school year, they want information for the 2016 year. So I'm going to put 16, continue. And so this is kind of your confirmation page. They accepted the request. It's going to be mailed to the address you inputted on the 2 pages earlier in 5 to 10 days. So just remember that the tax return transcript is going to be sent to that mailing address in 5 to 10 days, and so it's mail that's coming by the IRS. It'll say IRS on it, and that form still needs to get to the college. So don't forget to send it to the college. And your counselor or your college advisor can help you with that. Just make sure that you get that form to the college still.